it's Clara. Welcome to Clara's World. Woo, 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 woo. Today, I'm going to be doing the top 8 things that I got for Christmas. Wait, 8. I hope you had a wonderful holiday and got everything you want and spent lots of time with your family. One of my favorite traditions my family does, we go to the Nutcracker on Christmas Eve. And I also really like playing games with my families over the holidays. So that leads me to my first present. So this is Battleship, a really fun game. You place all your ships and at the top you try to hit your enemy's targets where they place their ships. It's all about your strategy and it's really fun. I also got another game this Christmas. It's Clue, the regular real Clue. I had Clue Junior, but I wanted the real Clue, like the classic version. So I was really happy when Santa brought this for me. Whenever I play this, I use my British accent because I'm a detective and I feel like detectives have British accents. Mrs. White did it with the candlestick in the conservatory. So that's Clue. I love it. It's exciting, it's fun, and I've been playing it a lot. So my next thing is a riddle book. I love riddles. I had a riddle book on my list, so I was really excited when I got it. It has over 300 riddles and puzzles, which will challenge kids and the whole family. Next, I got a telescope, which I was super excited about because I love the stars and I've been wanting a telescope so I can look at them up close. I have one suggestion for you. Do not look at the sun directly with this telescope because your eyes will probably like burn out their sockets. I have several constellations that I want to look for through this. Probably most definitely Leo because I am a Leo. So, this is the biggest magic kit ever! I'm obsessed with magic. I mean, I'll probably feel like a professional magician when I use it. I would probably make my sister disappear, like just a wave of my hand and she's gone. Maybe I'll start taking my magic show on the road. The amazing Clara magician. That has a nice ring to it. The next 2 things are on my body. The first one is this sweatsuit. It feels like you're touching a bunny rabbit, except it didn't harm any animals, I assure you. So soft, and it's blue, my favorite color, so that was like a plus. It's from Abercrombie & Fitch, and it has a little hood. I really want to wear this to school, because my style is comfy, but I'm gonna have to give my mom a little convincing, because she's like the fashionista of the family. But in the end, she'll say yes to these blinky boots. Next up is butter socks. Okay, their name is not kidding. It speaks the truth. When you put them on, it feels like you're wearing butter. It's so soft and fluffy. And they come in all different colors. So I have like pink, blue, pig versions. I literally have pig versions of these socks. Shout out to Pooh Pig! And finally, this is a gift from my mom. It's Cinderella's glass slipper, except an ornament. She also gave us a little note, and it basically said, now you won't have to worry about a Prince Charming giving you a glass slipper. Now you can worry about breaking glass ceilings. Because you know how people always say that men are the only ones who are tall enough to break glass ceilings. I can worry about breaking the glass ceiling now. I'll have to grow a bunch of height because right now I'm a little petite. That note was really special to me, and so is the slipper. And I'm gonna hang this up every year. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you give it a thumbs down, I'll be really, really sad. Comment down below what your favorite present is and what video you'd like to see next. Mwah!